Disha is there is a one more girl, Disha. I don't know which section she is, Disha.
Nita.
She is
Main
advanced.
mains one.
Disha is from which section?
Advanced, she is.
No. Mains one.
No, she is from main section only, but she is not attending the classes actually.
Okay. I'll call then, sir. You can start the class.
Okay. Let's start the class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you. Yeah. You know this week portions, right, everyone?
Yes, sir. He told us to.
Yes. This is a level 2 first question I'm solving. Almost everyone just know about this question, but one more time I'm solving this question. Okay. What the new students are there? You look at your. Okay, for you separate one, right? Wait. I will see in my phone. Yeah. Which questions are there here? Level 2. Yeah. Level 2 actually. Level 2 first question I will do first, and level 2 second question. You can check in your textbook level 2 first question only. From your textbook only I will start. What is it given x equals to? Tell me. Anyone?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This idea now, n represents any number of x. Then you are write in the Rocher form. The given you are write in the Rocher form. But what is it given here now? Rocher form. N must be any number in the set. N belongs to x, but 2n does not belongs to x. N belongs to must be x only, but 2n does not belongs to x. This type of numbers you write in the Roster form. For suppose x is any number means n equal to 1 if you can take, what will be the 2n equals to? Anyone? What's the value of 2n equals to?
2, sir.
2 is there in the x set or not? If n equal to 2,
4.
4 is also there in the x set or not?
It's there,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
N equal to 3,
6.
it is also there in the x set.
Yes, sir.
But now I will write n equal to 4.
Sir, it's 8
Yeah.
also.
N equal to 4 means 8 or not?
Sir, 2 to the power of n or only 2n, sir?
Only 2n, they're given 2n.
Okay, sir.
So 2n does not belongs to x, correct? N equal to 5. How much I'll get?
10, sir.
N equal to 6.
12.
12. Now this said we have tried n belongs to x, but 2n does not belongs to x. What are the numbers are there? 2n does not belongs to x. Numbers here now. Which are the numbers?
1, 3, 5.
No. 4, 5, 6.
How the 4 and 6 belongs to 2, right, sir?
No. When n equal to 4, n equal to 5, n equal to 6, what is the numbers we got? It is belongs to 2n does not belongs to x or not? It
Oh,
must be
yes, sir.
satisfied this numbers. Understand?
Yes, sir.
But n numbers are 4, 5, 6 are there in X set, but 2n is not belongs to X. So which numbers is there? Only 4, 5, 6. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone else has a question, you can ask me.
Sir, can you explain level 1 15th question, sir?
Level 1,
15th question, sir.
I'll explain. Let me see the first question is what. Yes, we will do that. I'll do now. Can I start the level 1 15th question?
Yes, sir.
Read the question. A intersection B. Sorry, once again. It's not A intersection B, right? What's it given?
A intersection B dash.
B complement.
Yes,
You
sir.
read this is the B complement. Whole
B-
complement.
Yes, sir.
Union. This is a question, correct? Now, level 1 15th question. Look at all of you. I will write one thing you know or not tell me. We know that WKT means we know. What's it? A union B whole complement will be. Yesterday we proved this. You know A complement B complement. This union is become what?
Intersection.
Intersection.
Yesterday or day one yesterday I've given these forms or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, for suppose if E intersection B is there, this will let us A complement B complement intersection become
Union.
correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Understand this point, everyone. Now the same way, how to write the given question? Tell me now. These are formula actually. Now tell me how to write this given question now. Anyone? A complement.
Union B complement.
Union. Union. B complement.
Again complement, sir.
I hope everyone to understand this is. Check. Now, what's the value of A complement whole complement?
A.
8, sir.
We proved, see, 2 days back, not yesterday, a day before yesterday, I think, or yesterday only. In exercise 1.4 or 1.5, we have proved this is
Yesterday,
A
sir.
complement with all. Yesterday only, yesterday, I proved this all already. All the three I proved actually. So the proving one. B complement, whole complement will be B. Okay. Union. Now we understand everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we are going to do A complement union B union. What is it given? B intersection C we got. Now we are going to be find what are the value this is. Note down all of you. A complement union B. B intersection C. See. 2 days back, I think, distributive law, one property I discussed on distributive law. We discussed any property like 2 days back, distributive property. The very first day of the sets, I guess I've given that distributive law of the given one. Anyone? A union B intersection C can be written as what? A union B intersection.
C, sir.
That you remember, I wrote B. Someone said it's a C or something. Say yes or no, please.
Yes, sir, you gave so.
Yes, sir.
I have given these forms the day I wrote in place of C. I wrote B. That time you said, sir, it is a B. Yeah. A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay, yeah. Now, according to the same property, these two properties, I'll consider this total value will be capital A. A union B intersection C. This property I can use. Tell me what is A union B intersection C? Will write as A, or you can write capital X. Now tell me, if it is a capital X, it will be X union B intersection C or not?
Yes,
According
sir.
to the property, what I write here now?
X union
B.
intersection of X and C. X union C, sir.
What is the value of X here?
A,
A
sir. A
complement
complement.
union B.
Union
Union C.
union C. Understand all of you what I said?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of B union B always?
B, sir.
B only. A union B intersection. Understand this also all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Check once all of you. We don't understand. Write down up here now. A, B, C, A, B, C. A complement means A complement means A will be not there, but it must be union with B. Union with B means this total part will come. A complement union B. That will be intersection with again A complement union C. C means this part also will come. So both intersection part you have to find here now. The intersection part of this one and this one. Look at the diagram. Which will be the intersection part here now clearly? This line and this line, which will be the intersection part? Anyone in the class? Not understand, now?
Sir, can you repeat again, sir?
I'll repeat again. 1 second. There are ABC 3 sets are there. A, B, and C. So A complement union B means which one will come? A complement union B. A complement means A will be not there, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So A will be not there, but it's a union with B. Union with B means this part also will come or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A complement means we can't take that A value, only that other than A, everything you can take here. A part will not come. What's it? A complement union B, union C. C means what will come?
C completely will be.
Completely. The C part will come. Correct? C part completely will come. Including this also, but here see, I'm not drawing this one. Why? Because A is there in this part. A we can't take, right? A complement is there. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you want to find the intersection for between these two, which will be the intersection we'll get among these two?
BC, sir.
BC will come intersection. One second, the one order will come. 2 minutes, sir. 1 minute. Just will 1 minute, 1 minute. It will go. Okay. Which is the common part here now? The
Yes.
common part, anyone in the class? The common part will be the, yes. The intersection part will be this, with the coloring I'm drawing here. The intersection part will be, see, this part will be the intersection part. Only this part will be the intersection part, correct? For everything, this is the intersection part or not?
Yes, sir.
Because A will be not there. I'll repeat again. A will be not there. This is only the intersection part. Why? Because here we got up to here. Still, if you want to solve this, means we can't take X. They're not given A, B any values. That's why I use a Venn diagram method. Using the Venn diagram method, I've done this. So this part will be that intersection part. This part will be there with that both A complement and with the B also. So this will get A complement, A union B. That's the answer. Check the options now. Level 1, which question you asked me just now? Level 1.
Second option.
15.
Which question is the 15th question of level 1, right? Yeah. Second option will be satisfied. Not all of you. Now look at level 2 second question. Level 2 question number 2. Level 2 question number 2. Tell me, how many sets are given?
2 sets, sir.
A and B. 1 minute. 1 minute. A and B are two finite sets means what's the number of elements in the A they given?
56, sir.
56, sir.
No, M elements are given. Look at A and B are two finite sets having M comma N elements, right? Correct or not?
Sir, like when first set is okay, okay, sir.
Correct or not? Two finite sets having M comma N elements. What's the total number of subsets of the first set?
56
number
more
of
than that of
subsets.
total number of subsets.
But what is the total number of subsets they're given? 56 or not?
Yes, sir.
So total number of subsets of the first set is 56. 56 more than
Total number of subsets, sir.
Total number of subsets of second set, correct?
Yes, sir.
The question is how to find the total number of subsets of the given set. 2 power m or not? Is the given formula, you remember? Total number of subsets.
Yes, sir.
2 power
Yes, sir.
equals to 56 more than total number of the subsets of second set. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So everyone understand that? Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Equal to how much? 56. Now what you have to do that, I will take 2 power n common here. Long back I discussed this question. I don't know how many members were there at the time. Look at it. Ipsiba, do you understand this is?
Yes, sir. Understood.
2 power m divided by 2 power n. Can I write as 2 power Tanusu, you also understand?
Yes, sir.
Others also look at once. You understand or not? Geetika,
Understood, sir.
Devishri, Jain,
Understood, sir.
Jain, Sandhya, Monica, Rohan.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Now, this is 56 is right? This 56. 56 I want to write as, this 56 I want to write as prime factors. You know how to write as a prime factors? Means, you know prime numbers, right? Like prime numbers I write here now. 2 into how much I write this is? Tell me. Tell me, 56. 2 into
23.
23, yeah? Sure, huh?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
28.
28 into 2 is
28.
56, sir.
Again, 2 into 28, I'll write as 7 into 4 or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
This 2 into 4 is how much?
8, sir.
8.
This 8 I'll write as 2 cube or not.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Means 2 cube into 7 power 1. Both 2 and 7 are prime numbers or not.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We wrote 2 cube into 7. Now we have to see the logic. 2 cube divided by 2 cube into what is the number is there? 7 power 1 is there or not? 7 power 1 can I write as 2 cube minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Why? Because 2 cube is how much?
8.
8,
8 minus 1?
7.
7.
7.
2 power n. 2 power m minus n minus 1 equal to this much. Correct? Look at all of you, everyone. Now I want to compare the values on both sides. In place of 2 power n, yes, 2 power 3 is there. There's a meaning n equal to how much here?
3, sir.
3.
2 power m minus n minus 1. 2 power m minus n minus 1. In place of m minus n, how much is there here?
3.
3.
N equal to 3 will substitute.
M is equals to 6.
6,
There's a
sir.
value. M, this is m, right? M.
Yes, sir.
M equal to 6. So m equal to 6 and n equal to 3. That's the answer. Okay. Not an all. The students who are attended already my class, they know about this question. You have done or not, Geetika, before?
sir, we did it before.
You know, today morning one good news. What's the good news, Ra? Anyone?
What good news, sir?
What?
What, sir?
I'm asking that all. You know, any good news today morning?
No,
What?
sir.
No, sir.
God, very bad.
About results, sir?
No.
Sir, I heard North side they're opening schools, sir. I don't know about South.
That's not a good news. Leave it. I am asking that one more.
Then you only tell, sir.
You think nobody's watching
College is
TV
opening,
morning
sir.
morning? Nobody's watching TV.
Sir, morning wake up
No,
and sit
sir.
in front of computer and watch online class.
Okay, okay. Hockey men's team won the bronze medal. You know that?
Yes, sir.
Olympics.
Yes, sir.
You know that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
feel that it's a
Yes,
good
sir.
news
After 41 years, right, sir?
after 41 years?
Yeah,
Yes,
we got a
sir.
bronze medal.
Yes. After 41 years.
Yes, sir, I know.
Fine. That's really good news.
Yes, sir.
That too is a debated 5-4 it is. Today we have one more. I think in wrestling, I think we have a gold final is there, right? Today only.
Today,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wrestling. In wrestling finals it is.
Oh,
There's a gold medal. Gold. We'll see. And tomorrow Thursday, right? Today Thursday, right? I think tomorrow.
Today
Today
Thursday,
is
sir.
Thursday, sir.
Tomorrow we have women's hockey is there again. That's also for a bronze medal.
Sir, we got bronze in hockey now, sir, in men's.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
That's what I said. It's a good news.
Boxing also, sir, we got bronze.
Boxing yesterday we got, right? Today also. Yesterday we got bronze medal. Today we have only this hockey and men's wrestling is
Yeah, we got silver in weightlifting, I think so.
weightlifting first day only we got.
Yes, sir.
weightlifting, I got it.
3 bronze and 1 silver, sir.
Yes. 3 bronze and 1 silver. 4 medals total. Nice. Now today one more gold medal is there. We will see what will happen.
Sir, even if they lose, they'll get silver, sir.
In this one, wrestling, if you lose, they'll get silver. In wrestling it is.
Yes, sir.
But we hope we will get good.
We'll get gold, sir.
Yes, he'll get gold. At least one goal we have.
Yes.
Fine. So this level 2 question number 2 I have done. Look at level 2 question number 3 you can see now. This yesterday long back we have done. This is also I've done, but I will do now again. Question number 3. This is like what substituting the values and finding the numbers. A equal to. V equals to they're asked us to find whether A is subset of B or B is subset of A. Simple thing it is, but the calculation must find all of it. See, I'm writing it now. For n equal to 1, I will write left hand side A values, right hand side B values. N equal to 1, what is the A value? Tell me. 8 minus 7 minus 1.
Yeah.
Correct or not? N equal to 1. So how much will get? 0 or
Sir.
not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This side. N equal to 1 this side. B value. Will get 49, correct?
0, sir.
Sorry. 49 to 0, correct. We'll get 0. Both A set we have a 0 is there and B set also 0. For N equal to 2, I will see now. N equal to 2. 8 square minus 14 minus 1. 8 square is 64, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
64 minus 15.
50
How much?
is
How much? 9. 5 minus 49, huh?
Yes, sir. 49.
You people please try to find out that. Okay, N equal to from here now. 2 minus 1 will get 49. See here also 49, here also 49. That's why this also we can't say whether it's a subset. N equal to 3. 8 cube minus 21 minus 1. How much 8 cube value? Find the value of 8 cube.
Sir, 5 and 2.
512 minus 22. How much? 512 minus 22.
490.
0. How much amount?
490.
490.
49. N equal to 3 here also. 49 into 3 minus 1.
2, sir.
So it will be 49 into 2, right? This is 49 into 10 it is actually. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Next. 2 more values we will take and we'll stop. N equal to 4. 8 power 4. 7 4s are 28 minus 1. How much? 8 power 4. 8 power 4 means 2 cube.
4096.
Try to find out. Use a calculator and try to find out.
4096.
4096 minus 29. How much will get 4096 minus 29?
4067.
067, sir.
67.
4067 is it divided by 49 or not? You can check. This we can write as 49 into some number or not.
83, sir.
Yes, sir.
49 to
83.
83, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This side, if you can look at it now, 49 minus 1 will get 49 into 3. Correct? 49 into 1. This is 49 into 1 and 49 into 10. Next, 49 into 83. Now look at last value. Okay, last value. N equal to 5. 8 power 5. 7 5 is 35 minus 1. Try to find that 8 power 5 means 4096 into 8 you can multiply.
Sir, 32768, sir.
One second, let me write.
768.
minus 36. How much will get?
32732.
732.
732. It is nothing but 49 into. How much will get? If you divide
668,
this
sir.
668, huh? Sure, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this side B equals to 49 into 4. Now my question is, here see, the A set we have 49 into 1, 49 into 10, 49 into 83, 49 into 668. But B set has continuously 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Somewhere we'll get 49 into 668 or also we'll get a nut. And middle we'll
Yes,
get
sir.
49 into 832 also we'll get a nut. And middle
Yes,
we'll
sir.
get 49 into 10 also we'll get a nut middle. So now my question is it all the numbers of A are in the numbers of B or B numbers are there in the A numbers? All the numbers whatever you get in the A set will be there in the B set or B set numbers are there in the A set.
All numbers we get in A set are there in B set, sir.
That's why A is subset of B. Understand?
Yes, sir.
These A numbers are there in B numbers, but B numbers are not there in the A numbers. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have a question you can ask me now. Anyone? Do you have any question? Pratana? Understand Pratana? Clearly A substaff B. Ipsiba, understand?
Yes, sir, understood.
Chandana, Shravya, Yashaswini,
Understood.
Manish, Kishan, Manish and Kishan, Sai Charan. Manish, understand Manish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Feel free to talk to me, okay? No thinking that I will scold or I can feel bad, you can feel bad, nothing. Any doubt is there? Feel free to ask. Is it someone said morning in north side schools are opening? Is it opening north side schools?
Yes, sir.
When? From
In
Monday
Bihar,
onwards,
I think.
Mhm,
From
mhm.
tomorrow, I think, sir. He didn't tell me properly.
Okay, okay. So we'll see our new CM what we'll because we have a new CM, right?
Yes, sir.
What's the new CM name? Anyone knows?
Sir, Basuraj.
Baswaraj.
Very good. Nice. Basaras Bommai. Basaras Bommai. His name. Chalo.
He's only for 2 years, sir. That's it.
No, it's okay, but 2 years also there are none. Because already 2 years over, right? Yediyurappa.
Sir, yes, sir.
More 3 years then, 5 years, right?
Sir, 5 years, sir. First 1 year, that coalition government, then 2 years, this Yediyurappa, then 2 years, the Basuraj left, sir.
Oh, yes, yes, 1 year they got over. See, that's what, yes, yes, correct. Correct, exactly. 1 year, Devagowda son, right? What is his name?
Coalition, sir. Congress and JDS.
Congress and JDS.
Yes. Is the 1 year. Correct. Look at the sixth one.
Kumaraswamy, sir.
Kumaraswamy, yes. JDS Kumaraswamy. X comma Y. This is expected question again, Monday exam. B equals to. But this question we have to do by using only graph method. Then they ask us to find same A substuff B, B substuff A, our intersection will be 5. They're asking us to find different values. Okay. No.
Sir, which one is this, sir? Level 2 or
Level 2 sixth question, I think. Level 2 sixth question. Look at level 2 sixth question is
Okay,
not
sir.
this one.
Sixth only, sir.
Yes, sir. 6th one.
Level 2 sixth one. Yes, I will discuss that with the simple logics. Yes. For the first set, about the first set I'm talking here now. A equals to x comma y, y equal to e power x. They said very clearly x is belongs to real numbers. For suppose real numbers means in that can I take x equal to 0, x equals to 1, x equal to 2? Can I take the numbers?
Yes,
or
sir.
no? If you take these numbers x equal to 1, x equal to 2, yes, simple logic. X equal to 0, y equal to e power 0 or not? What is the value of e power 0?
1, sir.
X equal to 1, e power 1.
1.
Y equals to e power 2, correct? 1 e square. You know what's the value of e? 2.323232, recurring it is. Definitely it will be also 2.32 whole square means we'll get something 4 point some value or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the one. The second one talking about the b here now. I will discuss the two methods. Which is the easier method you can follow? You can follow that method. Substitute x is 0. What's the value of y you will get?
0, sir.
0 or not?
Yes,
X
sir.
equals to 1.
1, sir.
X equal to 2.
2, sir.
See,
3.
whatever the value of x here get here now, x equal to 0, I got 1 here, I will get 0 here now. X equal to 1, I am getting a 2.32. Here I am getting y equal to 1. Is it both the numbers are same or different numbers?
Different.
Different numbers, right? So that's why they're asking us to find the according to the options. The intersection between these two sets will be always null set. Intersection between these two sets will be always null set. This is one method. The second method I'll explain. This is a more easy method. Second method. Yes. This is only example. X is 0, y is 0. X is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is 2. So it will be one straight line. This is the line y equal to x. Understand all of you? This is a line y equal to x. Say yes or no, understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Y equal to x. Next, y equal to what is given here now? One more function e power x or not? What is the one more given? E power x.
Y is equal to x.
E power x. When y equal to e power x, when x is 0, what is the y value we'll get? 1 or not? When x is
Yes,
0,
sir.
what is the y value we got? 1. Y value 1 means from here it is. When x is 1, y value what will get 2 point something, right? It will go on increasing. So that's why the graph of this function will be like this will come. This is y equal to e power x. Now my question is it both the functions, both the lines will be intersecting or not intersecting?
Non-intersecting, sir.
They want intersect, sir.
Both curves are not intersecting. Both the curves are not intersecting. That's why the intersection part will be 0. Null set it is. Or we can call as null set. The intersection part will be the null set. Not a null of it. If any question, you can ask me now. Anyone? Ipsiba,
Sir,
any
no
question?
questions. No, sir.
Oh. In this class, how many are there ICSE students? How many are there
ICSE,
ICSE
sir.
students? Epsiba. Only one girl. How many are there CBSE students?
Me, sir.
What's your name? Chandan. Devishri, Rohan, Geetika, Shravya,
You're
Lakshmi,
talking about 10th, right?
10 CBSE, yeah, 10 CBSE students.
Yes.
Lakshmi, Monica, Manish, Yashaswini, okay, good. Vizya, Rakshit, fine. You all
Sir,
from
no, sir.
CBSE, right? Ahmad also, okay, Mufazzal. Fine, good, fine. Rest of all the students, state board students, right?
Yes, sir.
So when I am from CBSE, but I can't raise hand, I have some problem in my Zoom.
No problem. Sandhya, okay. Just I want to know that how many CBSE students and how many ICSE students are there. So only one ICSE girl is there in this class.
Sir, I'm from ICC, sir.
Who is that? What is your name?
Kishan.
Kishan from ICSE. Okay, fine.
Sir, even me, sir.
What's your name?
Jeevit.
Uh-huh.
Jeevit.
Jeevit, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are also from ICSE. Fine. Because there is a one concept question is there, componendo and dividendo rule. This is ICSE students, they know about this, right?
Yes, sir.
You have studied a componendo and dividendo rule
Yes, sir.
in ICSE. But CBSE students, they don't know about this, right?
No, sir. No, sir.
Also,
Fine. No, I'll explain that and after that I'll explain. Because in one particular, not in functions, so not in sets, in sequence and series, in there is a question is called, we are going to be explained using the componendo and dividendo rule. So I got a problem with that. CBSE students don't know that, and ICSE students know that. And what about state board students? State board. You have studied about componendo and dividendo rule?
No, sir.
Not studied. Okay, fine. No, because I will discuss that. Okay, fine. Not an all of you. Okay. Next. I'll go for the next model question. Look at in level 2 only question number 11 I'm solving. Question number 11. The given n of
A minus
Is equal to 25 plus x.
n of b minus a, the given
2x.
2 into x.
a intersection b also 2x only. And other condition is given n of a equals to 2 times of n of b. Tell me, how to write n of a minus b as? Anyone in the class? Yesterday or day before I given this forms. N of a
Minus n of a.
Minus n of
Minus
a
n of
intersection b.
very good. Equal to 25 plus x they're given, correct?
Yes, sir.
Question n of a intersection b they're given in the question. Therefore, n of a equals to 25 plus 3x, correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm talking about n of b minus a. Tell me what to write. N of
B intersection.
So n of b equal to how much will get?
4x, sir.
4x.
Now finally the given also n of e equals to n of e equal to how much will get n of?
25 plus 3x, 8x, sir. Then
Very good. 25 plus 3x.
5, sir. Answer.
Yes. X equal to 5. The main important, these points have to remember these points. Geetika, understand Geetika?
Yes, sir.
Now, shall we do the 12th question? Question number 12.
Yes, sir.
Board model question. Read the data, whatever the given in the 12th question. Read the data for the 12th question. All of you.
Which
What are the
question?
data they given?
Which question, sir?
Level 2 12th question. The members of 3 athletic teams in a school. Is it question? Is it level 2 12th question or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, it is.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
3 athletics team in a school. 21 are in cricket team.
Cricket team.
26 are in.
Hockey
Hockey
team.
team.
29 are in football team.
Football
Football
team.
team.
So first we will write that first which team it is, athletic team, cricket team.
Cricket team.
Cricket team, how many members are there?
21.
21, sir.
Next hockey team,
26.
26. Next football team,
29.
29.
29. Are in football team. Among them, again the given combinations. 14 members they can play
Hockey and cricket.
Cricket.
hockey and cricket. 14 members. Next,
Hockey and football.
hockey and
15
football.
play hockey and football.
15.
15. 12 play cricket and
Football.
Football and
Football
cricket.
and cricket.
cricket and football or football and cricket.
12 members.
Next, 8 members they can play.
All
the
3 games.
First game, sorry, cricket, hockey, and football. All the 3, how many members? 8 games. The total number of, tell me the total numbers.
The
In the
total
three
number of
members in
members
the
in
three
3
athletic
athletic
teams.
teams is.
Yes. Same thing. The total numbers means either it may be the first one, either cricket or hockey or football. total numbers. So we have given this n of c. You know this form I've given yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus n of. What will you get here now? Add these numbers. 21 plus 26 plus 29. How much?
43.
This adding numbers. 21 plus 26 plus 29. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 6, 16.
76, sir.
26 minus this is 4, 5, 9 plus 2, 11, 41, right? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
76 minus 41. 5, 7 minus 4, 3. 35 plus 8.
43.
Result. What are all of you? Look at the question number 15 now. Question number 15, 1, 5. Geetika, we have not done this question right last time.
The 15th question.
Yeah.
No, sir, we didn't do.
Yeah.
14, 15, 16, 17, we didn't do.
Yes, yes. But 14, okay, 14 also I will do now.
Yes.
13, 14 also I will do. 13, let me finish this 15th one, after that I will do this.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
13, 14, 15. Now, anyone in the class can you tell me, A set is which type of numbers?
Finite.
Odd numbers.
Odd numbers, sir.
Odd numbers, sir.
Look at B set.
Even numbers.
Even numbers.
Even numbers. Now, my question is, what's the intersection B?
Null set, sir.
Null set, sir.
Null set. Intersection B is null set. Correct or not? Who said this question? Intersection B is null set. The first guy, what is your name?
Chandan, sir.
Chandan said, and one more guy also said, right? 2 members.
Rohan, sir.
Rohan. So A intersection B will be null set clearly. Others, do you understand at this point?
Yes, sir.
When A intersection B is null set, we can say that A and B are which type of sets?
Joint sets.
Disjoint sets. What's your name, Amma?
Shravya, sir.
So, they are disjoint sets. Understand all of you what I said?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
A and B are disjoint sets. Now, what's the question they're asking us to find here? Now we will see this. A complement union Yes, A union B, A union B intersection B complement, correct? Yes. See, look at very simple thing here now. A union B means all even number and odd numbers will get a null.
Yes, sir.
A union B means from where to where will get A union B?
1 to 18.
1, 2, 3, 4, 18.
18. B complement means, what is the meaning of B complement? From the
Only B.
universal set,
Only
from the, this part. Here, N is what is given, N is universal set or not?
yes, sir.
N is universal set. If N is universal set, what's the B complement? Anyone in the class? B complement means from the universal set we can remove B or not.
Remove B. A,
From the
sir.
universal set, if we remove B, what's the numbers we'll get?
Even number, sir.
2,
Tell me,
3, 4.
even numbers or odd numbers?
Even, sir.
Even, sir. B is odd, no, sir. Sorry,
Oh,
odd.
B is odd, sir.
Odd
B
numbers.
is odd
Odd.
numbers or even numbers?
B is even, so odd numbers will.
We'll get only odd numbers, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Because all the even numbers we have to subtract. Correct or not?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Yes.
1 to 18 intersection 1, 3, 5 up to so on the numbers. What will you get? What's the intersection here now? Anyone?
Null set, sir.
No.
What?
Odd
Okay.
number.
Odd numbers, sir.
But others not understand, I guess, what I'm question asking. Ipsipa, do you understand what is the question I asked?
No, sir.
No, no. Shall I explain again?
Yes, sir.
Let me explain again. Because here the numbers are given, right? That's the numbers. I will explain again, yes. Ipsipa, do you have a question, right?
Sir,
Do you have a question? Question is there with you?
which question, sir?
Question number 15 of level 2.
I'm having, sir.
You have the question. In the question, Ipsipa, they given very clearly n equal to what is it given? N equals to
Universal set, sir.
universal set, right? N is
Yes, sir.
universal set. N equals to universal set. It is nothing but all the natural numbers are not.
Yes, sir.
Up to some infinite natural numbers. Now my question is, first I want to find B complement here now. This is a problem. Okay. So in this, I want to
Okay,
find first B complement. B complement means from the universal set we can subtract B or not.
Yes, sir.
Subtract universal set minus B here now. What will you get?
We get odd numbers.
Correct. Others respond and tell me we'll get odd numbers or not.
Yes, sir.
This is B complement. Now, in our question, they ask us to find A union B also. Was it value of A union B? Even numbers and
1, 2, 3, 4, 18.
Odd numbers.
odd numbers combination till 18, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to be find A union B intersection B complement. That's the meaning. A union B I got 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on 18. Intersection B complement is only odd numbers. What's the common numbers between these two? Tell me what's the common numbers? Anyone?
Odd numbers.
1,
1, 3, 5, or
7, 9.
dot,
7,
dot, 7.
9.
up to 17 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but which set according to the given question.
A, sir.
Set A, sir.
This is A set or not? Now everyone understand this
Yes,
is what I
sir.
asked.
Yes,
You
sir.
understand now?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Now they're asking A complement union, A union B intersection B complement. So this total value will be A complement union A or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understand all of you? A complement union A. So A complement union A will be what? That you have to find here now. So A is what here now? A equals to
N
1,
Odd number.
3, 5,
till what number? 17, right?
17.
17.
A complement will be all the even numbers or not? A will be odd numbers means A complement will be even numbers or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on dot. The union will be what now?
Natural numbers.
Natural numbers, sir.
There is the answer. Natural numbers, or we can say
So
that
it is
universal
option number 2, sir.
set. Or we can say that universal sets. What's the option they given? Let me check.
Option is given the natural numbers.
Yes, natural numbers. Now you understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finish writing this question, all of you.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll do 13th and 14th question. Tomorrow I'll start relations, okay? After copying, please let me know.
Finish, sir.
Others also finished, huh?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now look at question number 13 now. Level 2 question number 13. Question number 13. N of P equal to how much is given?
3, sir.
N of P,
6, sir.
6, sir.
6 elements. Then the last first find what here now? Minimum of
Number of elements in A union
A
B.
A
union.
union B. You remember yesterday I've given that minimum of N of what is the minimum elements? What is it? Minimum elements means maximum of 3 comma 6. What is the maximum of 3 comma 6?
6, sir.
6, sir.
1 second. No. Minimum maximum of 3 comma 6. Next, even 14 was also same thing, right?
Yes, sir.
The given 14th question. But the given universal set, n of u equal to how much is given? 60. Then greatest value of and least value of both A and B only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remember that whenever they'll give the universal set, if they'll not give the universal set, what are the numbers they'll give? We have to find among these. But here clearly they given universal set or not?
Yes,
They
sir.
given universal set. That's why, yes, the greatest value when they will give universal set, the greatest value of n of A and B will be always its universal set. What's the universal set here now? 60.
60, sir.
If they not give universal set, then you have to find out that the maximum or minimum. Least value. Least value. So least value means this is normal, like how we are finding that the maximum of
43, sir.
Option one.
whatever. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Question number 16, today you can do the homework and tomorrow you can ask for the doubts on that. 16th question. Okay? So try.
Sir.
Okay, sir.